Is this thing still on? Hi! I have not filmed in like 2 weeks. Sorry, my boobies are falling down, you guys. It's a great day. I'm filming and I have some cute outfits I want to share with you today. I'm very excited. Just some cute little ones that I was like trying on lately that I thought would be cute to share. So hey. Ooh, that gave me a headache. I really wanted like an earthy summer morning in the garden kind of vibe. You know, like I feel like I'm in a Nicholas Sparks movie in this, right? We've got the linen overhang, some little cutoff jean shorts. This is from, where is this from? Okay, this linen top is from Boohoo. This gorgeous, look at the back. Oh my God, this bodysuit is from Los Angeles Apparel. And these shorts, oh, I've had them forever. These are the mom shorts from Topshop. I just thought this was really cute. And then hair up. Simple gold jewelry, even a little necklace would be cute. I just wanted something that was very airy and light and breathable. Like this to me makes me feel like I would be back at home in Washington and like, I don't know, maybe in like my grandparents' backyard or in my backyard in the morning time with a cup of coffee, like something very cute and light. Wow, this is really giving 30. Oh no. Oh, it is, isn't it? Oh my God, I've turned 30 this summer, guys. It's a few more months. Oh. Is this giving you I'm 30? Being 30 is cool. I'm gonna make it the new cool thing. You might be like, Lyss, why aren't you showing us shoes? The last one didn't need shoes, I was in the garden. This one, my shoes, I would wear my new little heels, but they're at my girlfriend's house, so I don't have them. You just have to use your brain, use your imagination. Isn't this cute? Also, you could just run some little white sneakers with this. Hold on, let's do this. This is kind of cute to like dress it down. Okay, but I just really need you to see the little back. Like I just think this is so cute because the skirt, right? The material's cute with the little floral. This is White Fox Fatigue. Yeah, super cute. I love the colors. I wanted to pull from the little flowers, so I went this little blue top that I have that I have to be very careful with because I cut it a little too short. As you can see, the end is literally right under my boobs, so I can't lift my arms. But I think it looks cute because this is ribbed, so it kind of takes it down a little bit and make it more casual. And then I had the option, I could do the white bag, but that just felt too matchy and boring. Like I need color. Oh, I love this. This is so cute. Why does the coloring look like it's dark? Do you see that too? I don't know. I really like the shape of this skirt too because it's like fitted to my hips, but then it's not suction cupped to my butt. Do you know what I'm saying? So it's like flowy. I like that little like flowy over the butt like that. I think it's so cute. Look at this. You take a little mini skirt, okay? Plain mini skirts, just lavender, whatever. And then this top has little mini lavender to match the skirt. I've had this top and I've only worn it like maybe 3 times. Maybe. I like never really wear it. And I was like, I don't have anything to match this skirt. Yes, I did. Do we go with the little white bag with this? So it makes it very like spring sweetheart. Or I would do my bamboo bag, but I broke that on accident. Or do we go green? Oh, I love this green bag. It's a Boohoo. Anyways, isn't this cute though? This is fun. The only thing about this skirt, as I talked about in my Pretty Little Thing haul, if you watched that, it is very short. Like I can only like, have to be like a video game character and just like not really do anything else. So, but this is really cute for a pic. So I'm the cutest girl in the world right now. I love jumpsuit things right now, okay? I wanna get more. This one is Los Angeles Apparel. I'm obsessed with this blue. It's really comfortable. Like the fabric is perfect. I've seen some people find like jumpsuits like this on Amazon. I would suggest going to Los Angeles Apparel first just because the fabric is so nice. And I just paired it with this cute little baseball hat. Like I love a bunch of colors. Like look, blue and green together, perfect. You wanna know why? Because it's earth, you know what I mean? I would prefer to do like a crossbody bag actually, just so it doesn't look like I'm just a walking blue. Let's try this, hold on. Yes, see, this needs to have, see, this is cute with a crossbody. Okay, except if I did this, I wouldn't do it with this green because of this green. I would prefer white. But do you get the vibe? You see what I mean? With some sneakers on and just like, this is easy for sports game, for running errands, when you live in the desert and it's too freaking hot to care to put anything else on. Okay, I've had a lot of caffeine today. I'm getting shaky. That's all I have for you guys today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. I need to talk to you guys here very soon though about what will be happening with this channel moving forward. Ooh, but I love you so much. That will be in a video coming soon, hopefully. We'll see. But I love you and I will see you again next time. Bye guys.